Hello, hi, how are ya? It's me, it's Rhonda of Rhonda Said. Welcome to my channel. It's been a minute, but I thought I would do a little eye look with the Blueberry Muffin Palette from BH Cosmetics. An oldie but a goodie. I think you might still be able to get it. I don't know, with BH being bought by Makeup Revolution. I'm not sure what the dealio is, but it's a beautiful palette. And I just thought I would just put some makeup on and chit chat with you guys a little bit. Let you know I haven't forgot you. You're still in my heart and my soul. I hope you're doing well. I've been doing really, really good. I'm going to start with Fluffy in the crease. So I'm a month out now from having my bariatric surgery, the gastric bypass, and I'm able to start eating regular food again, but it's all like trial and error. And so far, everything I've tried has worked, so that's really exciting. So that is good fortune for me. Trying to think of which way I want to go. It's so beautiful with all these blues and grays and purples, and it's hard to make a decision. I think I'm going to go in with this purple here called Cheat Day, and I have not really had a cheat day so far. Because I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Because my pattern when trying to lose weight on my own was I'd be good throughout the week, but then on the weekend have a big cheat day. And I'm trying not to do that. I'm trying to do stuff different today. This looks like clown makeup. It straight up does, but it matches my hair, so that's something. I'm gonna blend this out. This is crazy looking, but you know how I roll. I'll figure something out to pull it off. Just kind of blend it out for right now. Calm it down a bit. It's very pigmented. So now it looks kind of like a pastel moment. Oh Lordy, what in the world am I gonna do? I'm gonna go in with my fingertip into Sweet and go on the lid. That is a great shimmer. And that looks dynamic. It looks super cool. Now let's do a little bit of darkness in the corner to kind of make it come alive. Let's see. Let's go into Tempting, this kind of gray blue. It's a very cool shimmer. That looks good. So I've been eating a lot of chicken salad with keto crackers and soups. But I'm able to eat rotisserie chicken and all kinds of stuff now. So I'm really trying to work it out. I'm gonna blend this out. But I've got some steak, so I'm going to try some steak this week, which is a big gamble to see if my tummy is ready for that. Because I've had the baby tummy and I've had to get everything ready to see what will work. Now I'm going to do liner and lashes. Oh, House Labs is getting ready to change up a bunch of stuff, and everything is half price on their website. And I use this House Laboratories Punk eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and it's fantastic, and you can get it for $10. I just bought an extra one. I'm gonna be right back. Voila, we have mascara and liner on. Now I'm going to use number 65 Seductress for my lips, for I want a neutral kind of mauvey pink. And there we go. We've got a beautiful look for just fun. Just a fun look with the Blueberry Muffin Palette from BH Cosmetics. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon.